I'm Farhan from Pakistan and also graduated from Punjab University in Pakistan and worked with different Chinese companies 6 years, almost 6 years. After that, I decided to open a restaurant in China. So we opened a Man O Salwa restaurant.
Syed Farhaan Hassan opened a restaurant in Harbin of Heilongjiang Province called Man O Salwa, which means the heaven of food. Heilongjiang Province is located in northeast China. It is freezing in winter there, and the temperature can reach up to minus 20 degrees Celsius.
In Harbin, so many universities and also international students here, so many. So mostly students from Pakistan, Bangladesh and India. So our food is same. So here is no Pakistani restaurant for desi food. So it's open market for us. So that's why we choose Harbin. First of all, China is our brother country. So China is good for me, and Chinese people also like to Pakistani people and like a brother. So it's good for us. And Harbin is a cold city, like ice. So I think so in all over the world, image of Harbin is a ice city. So it's good. I think it's a little hard open a restaurant in China and introduce Pakistani food because Chinese people not too much familiar with Pakistani food. So now better than from last year. Now is our customer is better than last year. When we open, mostly our customer is foreigner, but now is mostly customer is Chinese. Ask to Chinese people, once time you taste the Pakistani food, so when they come here and taste our food, so they like. And some changes in our food, like according to Chinese taste, so it's good.
Hassan's restaurant was almost on the edge of closure due to the pandemic. Thanks to Chinese government's effective control over the virus, his restaurant reopened and now is attracting even more customers than ever before.
When epidemic is start, so our restaurant is closed because epidemic, not our restaurant, all restaurants, all markets, all things is closed. So we close almost 2 months. So after that we open, so Chinese people respond better than before epidemic. So it's good. During epidemic, they ask during epidemic we check about restaurants for food and foods. So we see in Harbin have one Pakistani restaurant. So we want to taste Pakistani food. So that's why. Yes, I'm in charge of advertisement and also about restaurant, everything. Now I'm doing alone, but maybe in future we together. We have 3 people now in restaurant. They're working. 2 from Pakistan, they are chef, and we have one she doing some service area. So maybe in near future we looking 2 more. We want to hire 2 more Chinese people in our restaurant. We use some translation app, so we translate from there and communicate with AI. But now just I learned some words about restaurant and food items. So now it's communicated much better than before.
Muhammad Atif Jamil, a Pakistani student at Northeast Forestry University, is a regular customer of Man O Salwa.
And when this restaurant opened, maybe I'm among the first customers of this restaurant. and I tell all my friends in the university that a new Pakistani restaurant opened in Harbin. And I think the food of this restaurant is really delicious, and I feel like I'm in Pakistan when I most of the time come in this restaurant, because the taste of this food is really very good. And almost in 2 or 3 times a week I come in this restaurant with my friends, and I recommend all my friends in my university near my neighborhood and tell them to please come here and eat and enjoy this food from Pakistan. And the most important thing, that this restaurant is promoting the culture of Pakistan, because you can see here all the things like pictures, and the environment is mostly like Pakistani environment.
We show in our menu some tourist sites, and also we some picture put there is tourist sites. In Pakistan, I have so much too much tourism potential in northern areas of Pakistan and Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan also. Balochistan have a beautiful beach, and KPK have a beautiful mountains, Gilgit, Kashmir, beautiful mountains and lakes. In Punjab have beautiful historical sites in Lahore, Multan, and also Rawalpindi.
Since foreign and Chinese customers have different dining schedules, Hassan has tried his best to adjust the opening hours to meet various demands.
In lunch, have from 11:30 to 1:30, 2 o'clock, and dinner time from 4:30 to 7:30, 7 o'clock. Because foreigner and Chinese people have a different timings for eat lunch and dinner. Our Chinese customer, they came here for lunch around 11:30 to 12 o'clock. But foreigner, if they want to eat lunch here, so they come almost 1 o'clock, 1:30 like this. And same like in dinner time, at dinner time, Chinese people come here around 4:30, 5 o'clock, 5:30, but foreigners came here 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, so like this.
Hassan introduced his chefs from Pakistan to us. They have been working very hard to keep the customers satisfied.
He's Muhammad Alim from Pakistan, and he's making a chana curry, chickpeas. So he put some tomato mash and add some spices. He's Mr. Alam. He's our main chef. He's making a main course, and Muhammad Osama, he's for making a barbecue. So that's why he dressed up black, and Alam dressed up white. In Pakistan, we cut a meat like little bit big, and in China have a small. Is cutting is small. Every day in morning, the chef came here and make a preparation for all days consumption. Like if we need, he know better. We need 10 orders of chicken tikka boti, chicken. How many orders need for kebab? And so he prepare everything in the morning for all of the day.
Chinese customers usually order food online. To expand his business, Hassan's restaurant offers online delivery service as well.
Now we have a online shop on Meituan, Alama, or also we have an online order on WeChat. So we need to deliver food. We need to deliver food to customers. So we use this packing for main course, for sauce, and also for rice and barbecue. On WeChat we start from day first, but on Alama we start on December and December 2019, and on mid-March we start from last 2 months. Yes, in China our delivery system is so easy. We just receive order, online order, and we make that order and put it outside on table, and one person he came and show this order, I want to pick that. So we give this order and he deliver to customer. It's not so headache for us. Yes, delivery amount is also fixed, is not too much, is a little bit cost, not higher. Almost 25% is a delivery cost. No, maybe in future delivery rate is high, but now is maximum customer came here and wants to eat in restaurant, and they want to talk about with me about Pakistan, how to eat this food, how about Pakistan culture, about areas of Pakistan, historical areas, mountain areas, like this. They want to talk with me, but have a little problem, a language barrier. So when they come here and ask to me, can you speak Chinese? So I just reply, a little, Ethiopian. So after that we start on a translation app. I introduce about our food and our culture and everything about Pakistan.
Before our interview came to an end, Hassan showed us his Pakistani traditional costumes with his sincere smile and hospitality, which has impressed us most.
I wear this cap and this shawl to show Chinese people about Pakistan culture. This shawl is show to culture of Sindh province of Pakistan, and this cap show the culture of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan, and also Gilgit-Baltistan is same like this. Is this special cap in Pakistan in winter season is from KPK and Gilgit-Baltistan also. I know Harbin is a cold in winter, so it need this cap. So need this cap. Is this shawl is from Sindh. It's show to Sindh culture. It's like this.